My name is Suhayl and today I'm going to show you how to make smoke pellets. Alright, so here's what you need. Ping pong balls, potassium nitrate, Bunsen burner, tripod stand, frying pans, white sugar, 2 BDs and a spoon, tape, and for your safety equipment you need a lab coat, fire extinguisher, and of course your safety mask. So the first thing you need to do is get a ping pong ball, get a scalpel or anything sharp enough to cut through, and what you'll need to do is cut it in half. Once you get close enough, you'll be able to easily rip it. There you go. So, you'll need a fuse, and you can use any sort of thin material for a fuse, but today I'm going to be using tissue paper. Now we're going to make a fuse. For your fuse, you'll need potassium nitrate and sugar. You need to do it in a certain ratio. For the ratio, it's 2 parts potassium nitrate and 1.2 parts sugar. You have the correct ratio. Get your fuse, get your tissue paper, or whatever material, thin material you're going to use, and carefully put it on the middle. You can also use your spoon to smooth it out. Next, you want to roll it up so the mixture is sealed tight inside your fuse. Once you have rolled it up, twist both ends to ensure the tightness. Now onto the mixture. For the mixture you'll need 4 parts potassium nitrate and 2.4 parts sugar. Have the mixture in the correct ratio, you'll need to heat it up. And you want to heat it up so it's caramelized but not solidified. It still needs to be liquefied. So caramelized, a sort of brown color. So put it on your pan and turn your Bunsen burner on. As you can see, it's starting to get that brown sort of caramelized color. But as you see, it's still not enough. As you see some white bits. So you're starting to get a whole lot more caramelized now. And just in a few more seconds it should be all ready. Alright, so now it's pretty much caramelized, so what you're going to do is turn off the gas, let it all cool down. Don't let it cool down. What you're going to get is get the bigger side of your ping pong ball, get your mixture, carefully put it in. It's very hot. Now you want to do it before it solidifies. You want to get as much as you can from the pan inside here. Scrape up any bits you can with it because it is very hard to get off once it's solidified. All of the mixture into one side. Get your other side and make sure you make a hole big enough for your fuse to fit in. Right, so you get your fuse, fit it in. Even it up with the other outside of your ping pong ball. And once it's secure, get your tape, around. Make sure it's secure enough. Make sure all holes are sealed up. So make sure the fuse is tight. You don't want the fuse to leak. Now your smoke pellet is ready. It's time for testing. You'll need obviously your smoke pellet, lighter for the fuse, surface for your fuse to light on, so don't put it anywhere near any grass or flammable material, and of course, your head key. Let's do this. Why do you need a smoke pellet? Here's why.
If he tries anything funny, kill him!
Attacking armed thugs head-on is suicide. I need to disappear. Pick them off silently, one by one.
Don't you move, Batman. Just stay there and this will all end okay.
What do you mean, end okay? She left us alone with Batman!
Keep it together, he's ours. What's he gonna do? Where's the guard?
He's vanished! Disappeared!
They don't know where I am. Good. Let's keep it that way.
He's gonna
Time
get
to
us.
survey the room. Plan out my tactics.
You just need to do this.
Stop! Please! But what do you want? Hey, he's smart. He's trying to figure it out. What the...
Unfortunately, this is not the end of the video. This is science. There's always science. Let's start with the basics. The chemical formula for potassium nitrate is KNO3, and the chemical formula for sugar is C12H22 011. In this experiment, potassium nitrate is an oxidizer, which helps the sugar burn. It also means when mixed with sugar, there is a lot of fuel. Nitrogen, potassium, and hydrogen are the main fuels because they are reactive. So fuse. Why do we need a fuse? A fuse is used to join a blend to form a single entity. English? We need a fuse for spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous combustion is the ignition of matter without apparent cause. So it can, by itself, it cannot be burnt. It needs another energy source. Our fuse acts as an energy source, providing heat generated by rapid oxidation. Oxidation is when a material gives up its electrons when it comes with oxygen. Rapid oxidation just means burning. Sugar and potassium nitrate cannot burn on their own. That's why we have a fuse. Also, your fuse does not have to be as long as the fuse I made. Just remember, the shorter the fuse, the quicker it will go off. Like the mixture. Alright, let's get to the mixture. The ratio of this experiment is very, very important. You don't want to go above the ratio. But if you want more mixture, increase both sides by the same amount. For example, you could multiply both sides by 2, making the ratio 8 to 4.8. It's still the same ratio. The reason why there is more sugar is to keep the potassium nitrate from burning off too quickly. So in this ratio, you won't get a complete reaction, just smoke. And smoke is what you want, right? As you saw, I used a Bunsen burner to heat up my mixture. But that doesn't mean you have to. You can also use a stove, remembering that low heat is the key. If you see any sugar bits along the side edges that are melting, remove the pan from heat. Reduce temperature and apply heat once again. Caramelizing. What the hell does that mean? Caramelizing the mixture means the mixture needs to be in a liquefied form. So no solidifying at all. Liquefied, liquidy. Your mixture also needs to be a caramel or sort of chocolate-like color, brown. Once you see this, instantly remove the heat. Also remember that you do not have to use ping pong balls. I only use them because it looks like the closest thing to what Batman uses. So yeah, I'm Batman, whatever. All you need to know is that you need something to house your mixture and make sure that when it's burnt, it won't be harmful to the environment. You know what stuff can do sometimes. But remember, the shape and size will affect the burning pattern of your smoke pellet, so I recommend a sort of round, spherical shape. Now when you're testing, make sure you smoke pellet, make sure you do it in a well ventilated area. You don't want to be enclosed with that smoke. You'll die. Make sure it's not on the surface where that surface could burn, go on fire, or near any other materials that would burn on fire. One more thing, when conducting this experiment, make sure you have proper authorization and supervision.